Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will learn how to fix LG UltraGear monitor not turning on. Unplug the monitor and power adapter before performing any check. Use the original LG adapter and power cable whenever possible. Step 1. Quick check. Check power outlet, check power cable, check adapter connection, then press the power button. Step 2. Check the power adapter. Use the correct LG adapter. Make sure the adapter LED is on. Check the power adapter LED. Look at the LED color and status. Here the chart given below. Then reset the monitor. There are two ways to reset. Method 1, power cycle and factory reset. I usually recommend method 1. Turn off the monitor, unplug the power cable and adapter. Wait at least 30 to 1 hour. Unplug everything, then back in. Press the joystick button to turn on. Then check your connection. Ensure the video cable is firmly connected to both monitor and PC. Try another cable for port. For DP, use the certified DP 1.5 cable 1.4 cable. Disconnected all other cables and try again. Test with another cable. Let's move ahead for step number 6. Still not turning on or advanced check. Check for any physical damage on power or port cable. Make sure the power outlet is not controlled by a wall switch or power strip with a switch. Try a different power outlet. Ensure the ambient temperature is not too high. If the monitor was recently updated, try disconnecting all source and power cycle. Step 7. LG UltraGear LED code. Quick reference. Here are the chart for LED color, status and meaning. When to contact LG support. If you have tried all of the above steps and monitor still does not turn on, there may be a hardware issue. Contact LG support or visit nearest LG service center. You can simply go to their official website by this link and contact LG support. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.